Question 4. The map shows a part of Wales. The position of Newtown is shown on the map. So this is Newtown. Write down the bearing of Welshpool from Newtown. So with bearings, there's a few things you need to know. Bearings are always measured from the north line, which is a line straight up. They're always clockwise. So it goes around in the same direction as a clock. And they're always 3 digits. So we want Welshpool from Newtown. So I'm going to look for Welshpool, and that's bold, that's bigger as well. So I'm joining Welshpool from Newtown. I'm going from Newtown. So they're asking me from the north line at Newtown, clockwise is this direction, and it's that angle in there. But it must be 3 digits. So because it's going to be under 100, you've got to put a 0 in front. So this one here, when you're doing bearings, you always put a dot on the centre, 0 straight up, and you're going round. So it's 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And then, so the angle is 35, so the bearing would be 035, because they've got to go as 3 single digits. Name the place on the map that is 235 or 235 degrees from Newtown. So from Newtown, I'm going from 0, I'm going around to 180. So 180 would be there. I'm going to turn my protractor around and to work out 235, take away 180 is 55 degrees. So I need to know which town is 55 degrees. So if I'm going around 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55 is this point here, which is that town. So it's there, so it's that bearing there, so it's that town there, which is Llangurig. Part C. The distance from Newtown to Welshpool is approximately 14 miles by road. So Newtown to Welshpool is 14 miles. So I'm going to measure how far that is. So Newtown to Welshpool on my ruler is 4 centimetres. So they're telling me from this question that 4 centimetres is 14 miles. So if I wanted to cancel 2 centimetres is half of 4, so half of 14 is 7. So 2 centimetres is 7 miles, and then 1 centimetre is half of that again. Half of 7 is 3.5, so every centimetre is approximately 3.5 miles. But they want the distance now from Welshpool to Llanfair Caerenion. Alright, so Welshpool to Llanfair Caerenion. So Welshpool to Llanfair Caerenion. So we want that distance between them 2 points. So in centimetres, I put 0 on Llanfair Caerenion, and I'm going to go across to Welshpool, which is about 2.5 centimetres, because it's in the middle of 2 and 3. So they want to know what 2.5 centimetres is. 2 centimetres is 7. Okay. 1 centimetre is 3.5. So half a centimetre is going to be half of that. So 0.5, half of 3.5. Half of 35 is 17.5, so it's 1.75. So 2.5 centimetres would be 3.5 plus 1.75. And if I lined them up and added them together, I have to put a 0 on the end to make sure they both got 2 digits after the decimal point. 0 add 5 is 5, 5 add 7 is 12, 2 down carry the 1, 3 add 1 is 5. So it's approximately 5.25. That's an approximation. Megan lives in Chemais Road. To travel to work, she starts by heading towards Machynlleth. Her journey to work is approximately 40 kilometres. Convert 40 kilometres to miles. You should know the conversion that 1 mile is approximately 1.6 kilometres, or what you would have been taught then is 5 miles is approximately 8 kilometres, and they want 40 kilometres. So if you did that as a ratio, 40 kilometres, how many 8s in 40? 8 times 5 is 40. So because I'm timesing that one by 5, I multiply this one by 5. 5 5s are 25, so the answer to this would be 25 miles. So they say in which town or village could Megan work? So she's working, heading towards Machynlleth, and she's 25 miles. 25 miles is going to be, if 4 miles are 14, let's see if we can work it out. So 4 centimeters, sorry, is 14 miles. 8 centimeters is going to be 28 miles. 1 centimeter is just over 3.5 miles. So 7 centimeters is 3.5 off that, which is 24.5 miles. She's going to be approximately 7 centimeters from Kemys Road towards Machynlleth. So Kemys Road towards Machynlleth. Alright, Kemys Road towards Machynlleth. So she's heading in this direction. She's approximately 7.5 centimeters away. Okay. So because she's in this direction and she's approximately 7 centimeters away, the town she'd be heading to work, the one down this direction, which is approximately 7 centimeters away, would be Aberystwyth, okay? Because she's heading in this direction. So it's going to be down here. So it's Aberystwyth. A different map has a scale of 1 to 10,000. What that means is 1 centimetre on the map is equal to 10,000 centimetres in real life. Alright, and what they're asking me now is if she measures 3 centimetres on the map, 3 centimetres is equal to 30,000. So because 3 centimetres is equal to 30,000, and they want to know it in metres, we've got to convert 30,000 centimetres to metres. There's 100 centimetres in a metre, so I divide it by 100. So 30,000 divided by 100 becomes 300 metres because you're dividing it by 100.